Hey gang, so on our last vlog we talked about the top 10 types of non-bank loans, and we did a thin slice of each. So in the series going forward, we're just going to take a little bit deeper of a dive into each one to give you a better understanding. So in the first position is any loan that involves a unique property type. Now, before we get too into each particular unique property type, it's important to understand this, that if you're going to your bank with a unique property type, it doesn't matter what your FICO score is, it doesn't matter what your Dun & Bradstreet looks like, it doesn't matter how your business performs, how you perform personally, what your balance sheet looks like, what your assets are, none of that matters. If you go to your bank with a unique property type that they're not comfortable with, they're not going to originate that loan, no matter how great you are or how great your company is. And the second disclaimer before we get into it is, once again, there are one-offs, there are many great banks out there. Our bank partners are awesome. We wouldn't trade them for anybody in the world. So if you're a banker out there, we love you. Don't take it personally. It's just us comparing and contrasting what we offer to what the banks offer and finding the right advocate and the right vertical for you and your business. So the number one type of unique property is any property that lies within the sphere of hospitality. So what that means is any sort of flagged or unflagged hotel. So a flagged hotel is any national branded hotel, a Marriott, a Hilton. A non-flagged hotel is any type of boutique hotel or motel, a non-nationally branded hotel. Now, it's important to mention that there are banks out there that focus on originating loans for hotels. It's most likely not your bank, but there are banks out there that focus on it. And if your bank does focus on it, odds are that particular team doesn't reside in the branch, or there's a little bit of a disconnection with the officer that handles your accounts versus the team that handles unique property types or hospitality lending. And so if you go to your bank with a request for financing for any type of hospitality loan, they will most likely not originate that loan. And it doesn't really matter whether you're an existing customer or a new customer. If you're an existing customer, they don't want to jeopardize the relationship by originating a loan that they're not fully comfortable with. And if you're a new customer to the bank, they don't want that to be your entree to them and their team in case something goes sideways, which, as we all know, especially on commercial loans, often happens. So that's number one, hospitality loans. Number two, gas stations. We won't spend too much time on gas stations, but if you have a gas station, if you want to buy a gas station, if your sister-in-law owns a gas station, we're going to be the best advocate and the best outlet for that, unless your particular bank, once again, focuses on originating gas station loans, which, once again, 9 times out of 10, they will not. We actively place gas station loans. We place them really every second or third quarter. It's a focused vertical for us, so we're comfortable in that space. We provide great rate execution. Our rates are in the 5s on that, depending on the product. So gas stations, number two. Number three, any type of specialty property. Wineries, microbreweries are two examples of types of properties that your bank most likely is not comfortable with. So once again, we are comfortable with those types of properties. We've got bank partners that focus solely on those types of loans. And that's the kind of capital partner you want, is a bank or a national lender that focuses exactly on your particular property type. Number four, agricultural properties. Unless you're in an agricultural region that has a vertical solely for agricultural properties, your local bank, your community bank, your preferred bank will most likely not originate a loan for a farm. Number five, any type of niche properties. So marinas, golf courses, land loans, churches. They're all highly specialized, highly niche types of properties that if you go to your bank, either with an investment opportunity, or if you're an existing owner, maybe that bank has all of your deposit accounts, they won't do that loan. They might refer it out to somebody, but they won't focus on that particular type of loan, and they probably won't even originate it. And then finally, a note about cash-based businesses. We'll cover those in a separate presentation, but any type of business that is primarily driven by cash, right? So bodegas, convenience stores, hair salons, nail salons, some restaurants, bars. We know it's a challenge to accurately report how truly successful your business is. That's for another topic. But if you're watching this, even though it doesn't fall under unique property types, it's still a type of loan that most often your bank has a hard time reconciling. So to sum it up, hospitality, gas stations, specialty properties, agricultural properties, and niche properties. If you have any type of property that lies within any of those buckets, please give us a call. We'd love to have an opportunity to help you grow your business. That's all I got.